The Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 0580 syllabus provides learners aged 14 to 16 with a broad foundation in number, algebra, geometry, statistics, and probability, developing analytical and problem-solving skills suitable for further academic study or practical application in real life. The tiered course assesses competency and reasoning through both core and extended curricula, reflecting the academic standard of the UK GCSE and recognised internationally for progression in education and employment. The core syllabus offers essential mathematical skills and fundamental concepts at a moderate level of complexity, targeting grades C to G. The extended syllabus encompasses all core content plus additional advanced topics, delivering greater depth and challenge for learners and providing access to the higher grade range of a star to E. In summary, core is suited for building proficiency in foundational maths with less demanding questions, while extended is designed for higher achieving students, introducing more complex material and assessment for progression to top grades and advanced study. Each question in your IGCSE 0580 mathematics paper begins with a command word that tells you exactly how to respond. Whether it's calculate to work out an answer, describe to highlight key features, explain to walk through your reasoning, or justify to present a clear argument, these words are your roadmap to full marks. Invest time to learn and categorize the most common command words: recall, state, name, apply, calculate, determine, explain, show, illustrate, and evaluate, compare, justify. This categorization not only sharpens your focus but gives you the confidence to tackle any question head-on. When you see calculate, show every step of your working. With explain, link each statement to mathematical principles. For justify, use precise notation and concise arguments. Mastering this vocabulary transforms your answers from vague to outstanding and ensures you fulfill the examiner's expectations. Treat command words as your secret weapon. Interpret them correctly, practice spotting them in past papers, and watch your accuracy and your grade soar. A plot of a graph should have points clearly marked, for example as small crosses, and must be drawn on graph or squared paper. Cover a given range of values by calculating the coordinates of points and connecting them appropriately. Where values are given, it will include enough points to determine a curve. Where a table of values is not provided, the candidate must decide on the appropriate number of points required to determine the curve. Have each point plotted to an accuracy of within half of the smallest square on the grid. A sketch of a graph does not have to be accurate or to scale, nor does it need to be on graph or squared paper, but it must be drawn freehand. Show the most important features, for example x-intercepts, y-intercepts, turning points, symmetry, with coordinates or values marked on the axes, where appropriate. Have labeled axes, for example with x and y interact with the axes appropriately, for example by intersecting or by tending towards. Fall within the correct quadrants. Show the correct long-term behavior. Graphs should extend as far as possible across any given grid, within any constraints of the domain. Where graphs of functions are linear, they should be ruled. Non-linear, the points should be joined with a smooth curve. A tangent to a curve should touch the curve at the required point and be in contact with the curve for the minimum possible distance. It should not cross the curve at the point where it is a tangent. Values should be read off a graph to an accuracy of within half of the smallest square on the grid. Know your syllabus inside out. Familiarize yourself with the Cambridge 0580 syllabus. Undertake thorough revision of all syllabus areas, prioritizing topics requiring improvement. Practice past examination papers under timed conditions to enhance familiarity with the structure and expectations of the assessment. Consult mark schemes to understand the allocation of marks and the importance of clear, logical presentation of solutions. Master the methods, not just the answers. Don't just memorize steps, understand why each method works. Use worked examples to reinforce conceptual clarity. Break revision into topics. Create a checklist of all syllabus topics. Use color-coded flashcards or revision cards for formulas and key concepts. Use visual aids and mnemonics. Diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps help retain complex ideas. Mnemonics like SOH, CAH, TOA for trigonometry can be game changers. Learn from mistakes. Keep an error log of questions you got wrong and revisit them weekly. Analyze whether errors were due to misreading, calculation, or concept gaps. Stay exam smart. Read every question carefully, underline keywords. Show all working clearly to maximize method marks. Don't leave blanks, educated guesses can still earn partial credit. If you like the content, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Global Learners Nexus, on YouTube for more educational insights and helpful resources to guide you on your learning journey. By joining our community, you'll stay up to date with the latest tips, strategies, and expert advice to help you excel in your studies and future career. Don't miss out on the chance to unlock your full potential. Subscribe now and take the first step toward your success. Stay tuned for more.